Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley in split-screen mode on your PC. This fantastic feature allows up to 4 players to share the same farm and screen, making for a wonderful cooperative experience. You will need at least one extra controller for additional players, as the first player can use the keyboard and mouse. We will cover everything from starting a new farm to inviting friends to an existing one, ensuring everyone has a cabin to call home. To begin a new split-screen farm, navigate to the co-op option on the main menu, then select Host New Farm. During farm creation, you can specify the number of starting cabins, up to 3, which will automatically appear on your farm. This saves time and resources. Remember to connect your controllers before launching the game. Once the farm is loaded, open the in-game menu, go to Options, scroll to Multiplayer, and select Start Local Co-op to invite your friends. If you wish to add players to an existing farm, first load your save file as usual. Before inviting friends, ensure there is an empty cabin for each additional player. You can construct these quickly at Robin's Carpenter Shop for a small fee, typically 100 gold and 10 wood or stone. Once the cabins are ready, connect your extra controllers. Then, open your in-game menu, go to the Options tab, scroll down to the Multiplayer section, and click Start Local Co-op. Your friends can then press Start on their controllers to join. When playing split screen, each farmer has their own inventory, energy bar, and develops their own skills. You can choose to have a shared money pool or separate finances, which is decided when the farm is created. While the farmland is shared, each player also gets a separate mailbox. Effective communication is key to a thriving farm, whether you're coordinating tasks, sharing resources, or planning your next big project. Enjoy building your dream farm together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.